welcome to Liveacts Sessions, and you are watching the first ever episode of the Liveacts Sessions. I'm Jana, of course, and with me is Jojo and Edmar on the beatbox. So we're gonna sing to you a couple of songs, and we really do hope you'll like it. And the first one is Breathe Again by Tony Braxton. If I never feel you in my arms again, if I never feel your tender kiss again, if I never hear I love you now and then, will I never make love to you once again? Please understand, if love ends, then I promise you that I shall never breathe again, that I shall never breathe again. Ooh, yeah. And I can't stop thinking about the way things used to be, and I can't stop thinking about the love that you make to me. And I can't get you out of my head. How in the world will I begin to let you walk right out my life and blow my heart away? And I can't stop caring about the apple of my eye, and I can't stop doing without the center of my life. And I can't get you out of my head, and I know I can't pretend that I won't die if you decide you won't see me again. If I never feel you in my arms again, if I never feel your tender kiss again, if I never hear I love you now and then, will I ever make love to you once again? Please understand, if love ends, then I promise you that I shall never breathe again, that I shall never breathe again. And I can't stop thinking about the way my life would be. No, I can't stop thinking about how could your love believe in me. And I can't get you out of my mind. God knows how hard I tried. And if you walk right out my life, God knows I'd surely die. And I can't stop doing without the rhythm of my heart. No, I can't stop doing without, for I would surely fall apart. And I can't get you out of my mind, 'cause I know I can't deny it. And I would die if you decide you won't see me again.